Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ginger clove hairspray for your edges, how to grow back your edges. Yes, if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So we are going to use some clove, as you can see. So you can actually purchase clove from Indian shops or any spice shops in your area, or online like eBay and Amazon and other online sites. You can check them out. So clove contains a variety of useful compounds, but its main active ingredient is a chemical known as eugenol. So eugenol is credited with potent antimicrobial, antiseptic and inflammatory properties. Moreover, cloves are rich in a number of nutrients for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamin K and C, iodine, and fiber. They are also form of oxidants that can help protect your hair. So I left the clove in just cold water overnight, and that is how they look like the following morning. So like it was overnight for 24 hours and it has really infused so well. Yes. So clove will promote hair growth, and it will actually, it has certain androgen properties that it can slow down the effects of androgen on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth. So people who have suffered from alopecia, male pattern, baldness can actually benefit a lot. And then we are going to use some ginger, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some water so that we can actually remove the dairy from our ginger. Like there's some kind of dirt which sticks to our ginger. So I'm going to let it soak in the water for at least 20 minutes so that the dairy can be removed, and then we'll rinse and then start working on our ginger. So ginger soothes irritated scalp. The strong anti-inflammatory effects help provide relief from itching and redness caused by infection, as well as the use of harsh hair care products that leave your scalp dry and irritated. Ginger will nourish hair follicles. Ginger can help boost blood circulation to your scalp. When applied topically, this can help deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles and keep them nourished. So ginger keeps scalp healthy. Ginger can prevent various bacterial and fungal infections of the scalp, reduce inflammation to keep your scalp clean and healthy. Ginger reduces hair fall by keeping our hair follicles well nourished with required nutrients, and high dandruff scalp infections like dandruff. Ginger can help retain the thickness of your hair and reduce hair fall. Ginger will also protect your hair from damage. The antioxidants found in ginger neutralizes free radicals and reduce oxidative stress inflicted on your hair by environmental aggressors such as pollution, stroke, UV rays emitted by the sun. So at this point, we are done grating our ginger. You can even use a blender if you so wish. So that is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. Yes, so if your hair is thinning out your edges, then make sure that you come back to watch these videos. So we are just gotten a strainer, and then we are going to press the spatula against the strainer so that we can extract some juice, like so. So you have to make sure that you press so that the juice can come out. So like whatever God made actually is so beautiful. Despite being in a sinful world, we are able to see some beautiful things. Yes. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out for videos every day. So dear friends, like I've been trying to grow out my edges, and my edges have drastically improved. One day I'm going to post a video, about how I've grown back my edges. So that is how it looks like. So now we are getting our clove. That is how they look like they've been infused well without heat. Yes, so like I said, I left them overnight. So these are the two powerful products like to grow back your edges. So what I'm going to do, I've got a strainer and I'm going to strain our clove water. And then we are going to combine, just mix well so that they are well blended. And then after that, we are actually going to put them in a spray bottle. Yes, so now I've just gotten a spray bottle and I'm going to put our product into our spray bottle so that we can use it. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and make sure that you click on that notification bell so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. So that is how it looks like. It looks so lovely. And I love that color, and the smell is so potent and very nice. Yes. So now at this point, you can use it on your edges, and I don't usually rinse it out. Some people prefer to rinse it out, but I'm not going to rinse it out. Just spray it regularly throughout your edges. Make sure that you work it through. You can even do a massage, lightly massage. And I'm going in throughout my hair strands. Of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle. I'm in a challenge of 6 months where I've been doing twists with my own hair. So I just gathered the twist and then threaded them with just a thread to bring them together. Yes, so are you going to try out this? So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today and comment in the section below. And thank you so much to my 208 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.